my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis here, Rock 255, man. Tuning in for another one. Beautiful day, sun is shining. Clouds is in the sky, but not blocking the sun. The Chevys is shining. Oldsmobiles too. Finna get ready to head out to this Best Buy. If I can get up in this thing. As you can see, this shirt, life is all about choices. Choose wisely. Hit the button, hit the button. Alright, let me get y'all mounted up. This is a new little mount we bought. But I think I already immediately remember why it was an issue on the lives, because of the heat. Like, I just looked at it and I was like, damn, that was an issue we always had. So anyway, I'm finna strap y'all in. We're gonna get down the road. Alright, y'all, we back. So basically, we run into the store right quick. Best Buy to go pick up this device. This device is gonna allow us to capture, good footage, etc., etc. In addition to the other recent pickup we had, the gimbals. Ah, damn! I just gave it away. So we're going to pick it up. We're going to pick up a gimbal. Going to pick up a new gimbal. We did have a gimbal before. However, it is. I won't say it was like regret or nothing like that, but it is necessary that we upgrade, because of the simple fact that my phone is much bigger than it was before. So yeah, this mount here is supposed to be like not as shaky, but I see it shaking like shit. Hold on, let me see if I can tighten it up. So I mean, it's still shaking some, but I mean, I guess that's to be expected. I might play with it some more down the line, see if I can get it to be a little bit more steady, but it looks like it's going to shake, like, regardless. So, I knew that shit was false advertising. Alright, so we done reached our destination. Gonna run up in this thing, be in and out like a robbery. Let's go. Alright, so there's the display model. That's what it's gonna look like. DJ Osmo 4 camera mount. I was kind of on the fence. I was gonna get a iPad, but I was like, fuck that shit. We creating content, not watching. Let's see, this is the iPad I want. 10-2. And I would take this one right here. Just give me this one. Give me this one. He's coming with the gimbal. I'm actually curious if they have any iPads. Like, I might just be tempted to get that bitch if it's here. But like, what do we got?
Also, right?
Yeah, OM4.
Alright.
Do y'all have any iPads inside?
iPads? I can double check.
Or, okay.
Was there like a specific one you're kind of looking?
I think there was one that was like $329. I want to say.
Just a regular.
Yeah, just a regular iPad. It wasn't like the Air or anything like that.
You might actually. That's iPad. Except for $329.
Yeah, I think it was 329. It was like a 10.9 inch, but it wasn't the Air. The Air is the, I guess, the one without the button. But that's the biggest difference between them.
You don't have any of them.
Okay, yeah, I don't. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Just this one?
Yeah, just that. Then.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Okay, that's fine. So we probably gonna end up putting our other one on the market, just for the simple fact the phone itself is too big. We got the 12 Pro Max, and the 12 Pro Max does not balance well in that gimbal at all. The way it's designed, you know, it's just that's technology though. That's technology. You upgrade devices, etc., etc. Now I do still have my GoPros, but I honestly think I'm about to repurpose those to something else. All right, so we just leaving Best Buy. Got the thing. Boy, if they would have had an iPad, I probably would have popped the trunk on that bitch. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the biggest thing with this one, it has a magnetic mount, so you can mount it straight to the phone, or it has a clip. Me personally, I'm gonna just put it off on the clip and go from there. It has gesture controls, quick roll, story mode, and some more shit. We'll go put it to work right quick. But yeah. It's all about the tools for content creation. A lot of the times we use our phone to shoot a lot of stuff, and with that being the main source of a lot of the content, man, honestly, it's damn near like a must. It's damn near like a must. And we use our Canon M50, but you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna necessarily buy a stabilizer for that. What it is. I was trying to figure out this thing. Like, I mean, it's shaking, but I guess it's not shaking a lot. But it kind of is, especially when you hit the bumps. You got a little jiggle to it. Could be worse, I guess. Yeah, maybe we'll get a maybe we'll get a fucking iPad. I'll wait till them bitches drop a little bit. Or I just come back and I get one like after Whip Fest. But right now, priority is to have all content creation tools on deck so that Whip Fest is a motherfucking movie. You need. But no, like I was saying though, like we really wanna, like I said, my GoPros, like I bought the little joints for them. One is in the little handheld joint. The other one was in something that we put on the other gimbal. However, I think it's time to repurpose it. I'm saying now that the cars are moving, it's time to repurpose these little small cameras into what they were really designed for, and that was to catch the action. So I'm going to be, probably like I said, I'm going to be putting that other gimbal up on the market, and then I'm going to purchase the necessary mounts and things so that I'll probably buy two. Well, I know that I have one where, you know, I can stick the GoPro on the side of the car. I have one, so I'll probably, like I said, sell that from part of the proceeds, buy the mount stuff that I need, and go from there. So run the two separate GoPros so I can run two different angles. Like maybe one in the car and then one on the outside of the car, one in the front, one in the back. Yeah, definitely time to repurpose those for their true intention, because now we up. We up. The GoPro, like I said, the GoPros work great. I mean, they still work great for junkyard videos because it's not the very large one. They're a smaller camera. Really not much to them. The ability to add an outside microphone and all of that jazz. But honestly, like, it's just nuts. It's time for them to catch action. It's time for them to catch action. And so we bringing a whole lot more action shots and stuff to the channel. And once we get those repurposed. So, matter of fact, today when I get off, I'm gonna go home, put the other little drone thing on. Not drone. Put the other little gimbal thing on there and put it up there, probably like $100. Anybody got a smaller phone? Same thing like I did with the last one. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I'll offer up. You know what I'm saying? Let it be known to y'all. Even though the last drone, like the drone sold before I even put the video on. Hopefully that won't happen this time, but if it does, I apologize. Maybe I'll put it up on the membership page or something. But it really ain't that many members, so we're trying to pay. So yeah, I'm gonna just put it up on Marketplace like usual, and then hopefully somebody can get some use out of it. But with the larger phone, it really doesn't. Like if you have like a regular size, the Maxes, they just don't. For me, I had an issue with it. I had an issue with it to the point where I just wanted to get some adult. So, other than that, very gently used adult-owned gimbal. So I'm gonna throw it up there for a dub. I let somebody talk me down to A. They can get it and take it out my hands, and we'll go from there. That is the plan. So about 12 o'clock. See what I can put together as far as movie magic. I think I might just want to go home and charge it up and then go from there. I ain't gonna rush it, so let's turn into like today. I'll catch you back on with some footage. Alright, moment of truth. Here it is. OM4. Open box. Create the magnetic moments. Blah blah blah. Y'all want to see this. Y'all want to see the results.
to it.